Hey there, it's Abhishek back again with a new series of unboxing videos. This is the latest budget-friendly wireless earbuds from JBL. JBL is one of the predominant brand in manufacturing audio equipment, and I've now introduced the budget earphones T110BT, which retails around $40 US. The packaging is simple and well presented. The orange and black theme seems to be contrasting and funky. Out of the box, we have a user manual, USB cable, spare earbuds, and the wireless earphones itself. The orange USB cable looks dope and is handy as it's a short one. Then we have two pairs of earbuds. One is a smaller size while the other one is a larger size. There's the instruction manual, but who cares? The wireless earbuds are made of high quality materials and seems to be durable. The black matte finish with orange soft buds and the grey color logo print makes it feel like a premium product. The cord length is quite long, around 23 centimeters, but I think that won't be an issue. The wire connecting the ends of the earbuds are flat, so there won't be any problem of tangling. After using these earbuds for a while, I would do a review, so stay tuned by liking and subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one.